It's been a while since I posted. This is, for a few months, it felt like we're just trying to get back to where we started. After the floods, there was a lot of rain, and this saturated the ground and ended up sitting in parts of the driveway, which meant that the first load of gravel I brought to fix this disappeared into the mud hole before I could even unload it. So I've been digging some drainage, fixing the driveway, replacing all the mud with gravel. This meant I can start getting down the drive without too much hassle. So I can continue sorting some stuff out, like replacing the power and the water. This was important because we had to clean the floor. And then get everything off the floor. This was for concrete grinding. I spent an entire weekend just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. The big, heavy, noisy, dusty machine. And concrete grinding creates a lot of dust. It needs to be cleaned out from all the cracks in the concrete before you can seal it. So I had to vacuum, and then vacuum really close, and then sweep, and then clean with a rag and mop. And finally, it was time for a top coat. So now we've got the floor looking a bit better. It's time for the building process to start.